Is your Toyota 4Runner 2021 to 2023 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by carefully prying open the key fob case. Insert the screwdriver into the small gap on the side and gently twist. Be cautious to avoid breaking the plastic clips. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the buttons to confirm the new battery works. If your remote functions don't work after replacing the battery, you likely need to resync the fob with your 4Runner. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock button on the fob for a few seconds, then turn the ignition off. Remove the key and test the remote functions. Repeat this process a few times if necessary. Ensure the battery is correctly installed and of good quality, like Panasonic or Duracell. Static discharge during battery replacement can cause issues. Ground yourself before handling the battery. If all else fails, consult your Toyota owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions or contact a dealership.